Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the science lecture. We are learning 11th lesson, part 3. Today we are going to learn. And yes, in the previous lecture, what we have learned? The various forms of energy. What are they? Mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound, chemical, and electrical energy. Today we are going to discuss the next part. Page number 80 you take. Today we are going to learn page number 80 and 81. Observe and discuss. Observe the working of various appliances. We use such as the fan, lamp, mixer, TV, radio, refrigerator, washing machine, clothes iron. In which form is energy supplied to them to make them work? Which form you know? Electricity, right? Electrical energy is used here in these machineries, in these appliances, right? And transformation of energy. Transformation of energy takes place when work is done. Let us consider one chain of transformation of energy here. See here, in the course of the water cycle, we all know very well about the water cycle. A small picture is also given here. The water cycle picture is also given here. See picture 11.9, transformation of energy. In that, water cycle is given. In the course of the water cycle, water evaporates. In the course of water cycle, water evaporates due to the heat of the sun. This water vapor forms clouds that give rain. Rainwater flows into rivers and is stored in reservoirs on dams. This is the simple water cycle we all know very well. These are at a height and therefore their water has potential energy, which is transformed into kinetic energy as the water falls downwards. When the water falls on the blades of turbine. What is called turbine? Turbine is a machine or engine. It works with the help of the force of water और गैस. वाटर नहीं तो गैस के प्रेशर से वो टर्बाइन में जो ब्लेड्स है वो क्या होता है? इट रोटेट्स and then the kinetic energy formed. Its kinetic energy is transferred to the turbine. The turbine rotates, producing electrical energy. This electricity gets transformed into various other forms of energy. Have you ever visited खोपोली? खोपोली किधर कभी गए होंगे तो उधर टाटा पावर से पावर प्रोड्यूस होता है. उधर एक माउंटेन है, माउंटेन के ऊपर टाटा पावर से पावर प्रोड्यूस होता है. दैट वाटर flows downwards and it forms a river. You can see that this electricity gets transformed into various other forms of energy. We use electricity at our house every day. Without electricity we cannot live. Nowadays electricity is necessary for each and every house. Electrical energy is used in our houses for various purposes. It is transformed into light energy on lighting a bulb. How electrical energy is transformed in various ways. You see here, it is transformed into light energy on lighting a bulb, into kinetic energy on starting a fan. Kinetic means moving. If you switch on the fan क्या होता है, घूमता है, फिरता है, rotates. Into sound energy while playing a music system. If you switch on the radio and you can hear the sound, so that is sound energy in music system. And into heat energy in an oven. If you switch on the oven, the things get heated. So heat energy, the electrical energy is used in our houses for various purposes. What are they? Light energy, kinetic energy, sound energy, and heat energy. Thus, we see that we are indirectly utilizing nothing but solar energy in all these transformations of energy. Basic energy is solar energy. Why? Because solar energy, sun, because of the sun we get rain, right? Because of water, electricity is produced, and that electricity we use at our home. Which is the basic energy? Yeah, we can clearly say that solar energy is the basic energy. Thus we see that we are indirectly utilizing nothing but solar energy in all these transformations of energy. In other words, the sun is the most important source of all energy. Which is the most important source of all energy? Sun. Understood? Right. Next, we are going to see energy resources. What are the water resources? What are the water resources? River, well, lakes, ponds. These are all called water resources. Here, what are the energy resources? The resources used for getting energy can be classified into two types. The resources used for getting energy is called energy resources. The resources used for getting energy can be classified into two types. What are they? Conventional energy resources or non-renewable energy resources. Conventional, that means traditional. Traditionally, our ancestors used these conventional energy. See here, what they used to get heat energy and all. See here, energy resources which man has been using for centuries are called conventional energy sources. And conventional energy resources include coal and fossil fuels such as petrol, diesel, and natural gas. We cannot replenish these resources, and wood also cannot be replenished easily. We can't get this. हम लोग इसको वापस नहीं पा सकते हैं. So this type of energy is called conventional energy. Once it get finished means finished. And हम लोग इसको, for example, wood जल गया तो क्या होगा? We will get coal, that's all. कोल एक बार जल गया तो क्या हो जाता है? Ash. We cannot get back the coal. This type of energy is called petrol. Once petrol गाड़ी में खत्म हो गया तो खत्म हो गया, तो उसको हम लोग वापस जाके नया पेट्रोल डालेंगे तो ही मिलेगा, नहीं तो हमको मिलेगा क्या? पेट्रोल नहीं मिलेगा. नो, नॉट एट ऑल. दैट टाइप ऑफ एनर्जी इज कॉल्ड कन्वेंशनल एनर्जी. नॉन कन्वेंशनल एनर्जी रिसोर्सेस आर renewable energy resources. The resources have not been used traditionally. They are inexhaustible and continuous and can be used in various forms again and again. Inexhaustible, that cannot be finished. कभी भी खत्म ही नहीं होता है. We can use it again and again. We understood? कभी भी खत्म ही नहीं होता है. What can we say? Example, solar energy. Solar energy completely we cannot finish it. हम लोग completely उसको खत्म कर सकते हैं क्या solar energy? No, not at all. That type of energy is called non-conventional energy. Air एयर इज ऑल्सो, एयर भी हम लोग ख़त्म नहीं कर सकते, सोलर सनलाइट भी ख़त्म नहीं कर सकते हैं, विंड भी ख़त्म नहीं कर सकते. दिस टाइप ऑफ एनर्जी इज कॉल्ड नॉन कन्वेंशनल एनर्जी. अंडरस्टूड? वी कैन यूज इट in various forms again and again. Due to the increasing population and increasing usage of energy resources, there is a danger that of limited reserves of coal, petrol, diesel, crude oil and natural gas will get exhausted. Therefore, it will be better to use alternative and supplementary resources instead of the conventional ones. Understood? We can replace this energy. We can use, अभी पेट्रोल डाल के गाड़ी से चलने से 1 day चल के जा सकते. you can go by walk 1 day and walking करो नियर अबाउट, घर के पास जो प्लेसेस रहेगा उसमें साइकिल में जाओ. डोंट यूज पेट्रोल. in this way we can save the energy, we can save this fuel reserve. We'll meet in the next lecture with remaining part of the lesson. Till then, goodbye. Inexhaustible energies we are going to see tomorrow in the next lecture. Bye.